have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let me show you how to put this in pairing mode. So let's say you want to connect them to another device that's not Samsung, maybe another Android phone. It could be your smart TV or an iPad, whatever it is you want to connect to. You have to put them in Bluetooth pairing mode, unless of course you're connecting to a Samsung device. So to do that, just open up the case, and then at the bottom of the case, you should see a button. You can see this button right here. And what you want to do is press and hold that button until that light on the case starts blinking rapidly. There you go. So you can see it's blinking red, blue, green, red, blue, green. That means the earbuds are in pairing mode. Now they've already been paired to this particular Samsung phone. But now if I check on another device like this iPhone, if I go to the Bluetooth settings and try to scan for available devices, I should see that they are available. That's because they are in pairing mode. Okay, so you can see the Buds 3 Pro are available. So that's how you put this Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in Bluetooth pairing mode. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.